So, today it hailed golf ball size hail. We have some right here. We picked them out and kept them in the fridge because they were so fucking big. Look how big those hail balls are. So then we went across the street. Whoops. Oh, I might have just shattered them. Oh, no. We went across the street and we got some hard liquor. And we're going to make some cocktails with hail balls instead of ice.
What's the thing that chick does in that commercial?
I don't even remember.
Tequila.
Maybe.
You put the balls in there.
Right here.
Put those balls in there, sex.
So here, let's take a little bit closer look at some of these. Look at these. These were the size of the hail balls, dude. Like, look at that. Adam got hit in the head with one of these.
It really hurt.
Some hail in there. A couple hail balls in here. Unbelievable. So for the hail balls, we got some Bombay dry gin. Classy.
Are you supposed to... Oh, okay.
What?
Never mind. I don't know what I'm talking about.
Where's the tonic at? It's right here. Oh!
Whoa,
See,
buddy!
Just like the hail, dude. Unpredictable, right?
That's what you get for ordering 7-Eleven tonic.
That's true.
And swinging it around while you're walking back home.
So it seems like the hail's taking the tonic pretty well.
Oh, buddy.
It's for class.
For class.
For class.
On the rocks. Oh, we
It's
don't.
on the hail.
We don't have any lime, do we?
No, unfortunately we do not. But cheers to our first ever hail cocktail. That's actually really good.
I can taste the nature.
And that is the first hail cocktail. Nice, dude.